Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to online classes of Divisional Public School and Inter College Sahiwal. I am your teacher Fabiha Noor. I am going to present maths lesson of class 4. Class 4 students, today we are going to discuss unit number 1, numbers and arithmetic operations. Dear students, can you guess our topic name? Yes, our topic name is multiplication. Today we are going to discuss multiplication of 5-digit numbers with 3-digit numbers, and the objectives are, by the end of lesson students will be able to find the product of the given sums, multiply the 5-digit numbers with 3-digit numbers. Dear students, in previous class you have already learned the result of multiplication of two numbers is called the dash. The result of multiplication of two numbers is called the product. The dash is the number to be multiplied. The multiplicand is the number to be multiplied. Dear students, as you know, when a number is multiplied by 0, the result is 0. For example, 54 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0, and when a number is multiplied by 1, the result remains the same. For example, 231 multiplied by 1 is equal to 231. Here is a question. Write vertically and multiply 80,093 multiplied by 200. First of all, we have to write 80,093, then 200. Now we have to multiply 80,093 by 200. Here 80,093 is the multiplicand and 200 is the multiplier. Dear students, for multiplication, first of all we have to multiply the multiplicand by the ones of multiplier. Here we have to multiply 80,093 by the ones of 200, and the place value of 0 is ones. So 80,093 multiplied by 0, 03 is 0, 09 is 0, 00 is 0, 00 is 0, 08 is 0. As you know, when a number is multiplied by 0, the result is always 0. Now we have to multiply the multiplicand 80,093 by the tens of multiplier 200. 80,093 multiplied by 0. Here we put 0 because we are dealing with the 0 and the place value of 0 is tens. 03 is 0, 09 is 0, 00 is 0, 00 is 0, 08 is 0. Now we have to multiply 80,093 by the hundreds of 200. 80,093 multiplied by 200. Here we will put two zeros because we are dealing with 2 and the place value of 2 is hundreds. 2 3 are 6, 2 9 are 18. We write 8 here and 1 carry will be shifted to next column. 2 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 2 0 is 0, 2 8 are 16. Now we have to add them. 0, 0, 6, 8, 1, 0, 6, 1 and the result is known as the product. Our next question is find the product. Multiplicand is 5,829 and the multiplier is 431. First of all, we have to write 5,829, then 431. We have to multiply them. Here 5,829 is the multiplicand and 431 is the multiplier. Dear students, as you know, for multiplication we have to multiply the multiplicand by the ones of multiplier and the place value of ones is ones. 1 9 is 9, 1 2 is 2, 1 8 is 8, 1 5 is 5. Dear students, as you know, when a number is multiplied by 1, the result is always the same number. Now we have to multiply the multiplicand 5,829 by the tens of multiplier. Here we put 0 because we are dealing with 3 and the place value of 3 is tens. 9 3 are 27. We place 7 here and 2 carry will be shifted to next column. 3 2 are 6, 6 plus 2 are 8, 3 8 are 24. We write 4 here and 2 carry will be shifted to next column. 3 5 are 15, 15 plus 2 are 17. Now we have to multiply the multiplicand 5,829 by the hundreds of multiplier and the place value of 4 is hundreds. Here we put two zeros because we are dealing with 4 and the place value of 4 is hundreds. 4 9 are 36. We write 6 here and 3 carry will be shifted to next column. 4 2 are 8, 8 plus 3 are 11. We write 1 here and 1 carry will be shifted to next column. 4 8 are 32. 32 plus 1 are 33. We write 3 here and 3 carry will be shifted to next column. 4 5 are 20. 20 plus 3 are 23. Now we have to add them. As we know, we always start from the right side. So 9. 7 plus 2 are 9. 8 plus 8 are 16. 16 plus 6 are 22. We write 2 here and 2 carry will be shifted to next column. 5 4 are 9. 9 plus 1 are 10. 10 plus 2 are 12. We write 2 here and 1 carry will be shifted to next column. 7 plus 3 are 10, 10 plus 1 are 11. We write 1 here and 1 carry will be shifted to next column. 1 plus 1 are 2, 2 plus 3 are 5 and 2. And as we know, the result is known as the product. It's a time to recap the lesson. Question is complete these. A part 3479 multiplied by 0 is always 0. B part is 7237 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7237. C part is 1500 multiplied by 200. Here 1500 is known as the multiplicand, 200 is known as the multiplier, and after solution the answer is known as the product. It's a time for home assignment. Question number 1 is write these vertically and multiply. A part is 72,562 multiplied by 169. B part is 34,571 multiplied by 843. Question number 2 is find the product. Multiplicand is 600 and 1835. Multiplier is 297. Thank you.